Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss CAPGEMINI interview question and answer for automation test engineer. So let's move in the first question. So first question is always the common question. Tell me about yourselves. So if you are in the new in the my channel, you can just go through this question because I already explained this question. Or if you are new, then you can just follow this. Okay. Or if you already watch my video, please skip this question. No problem at all. So tell me about yourself. So in the tell me about yourself, if you are going for the any interview, your first question is always tell me about yourself. So tell me about yourself. What you have to speak? You have to speak your name, your current organization, your relevant experience, your skill set is very important. Your skill set, whatever you're going to tell you, the same topic they will ask you to. So please prepare well what you're going to write and what you are going to introduce in your what you're going to speak. So that is very important. Second, then you have to tell about your project. So project, you have to tell your domain, what your domain you are working, and you have to tell the like module of what the module you are going to handle in your project. Then roles and responsibilities, very important. So here, like, the interviewer will understand what is your contribution, what is your contribution in your automation or manual. So that is very important. You have to highlight this point when someone will ask you, tell me about yourself. Second question is, what is the difference between collection and collection? So one more announcement, guys. So many of the manual tester, or the people having the gap, or the people who is working in the different profile and they want to move in the automation, and many of them already have done the courses, but they don't have a proper confidence they can crack the interview and they can survive in the company. The reason behind that, I have observed the many tutors or many courses are there available, right? But they are not giving the proper contents. And I always tell you, if you want to become a automation test engineer, you having the very good knowledge in your Java. So I have launched simple Java course. So let me show you. And that is, I have launched the a Java course from the beginner to advanced. So be having the link, and I will share this link as well. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, so we have recently launched this course, and this course is available in your Udemy, and Udemy having the very less price. You can just go and you can, if you want to explore your Java knowledge, so you can see how I have designed this course. This course, I think this is open. Okay, no problem. So you can see I have designed this course. Let me, I am in 1 second, guys. See, the course name is Core Java Beginner to Master. So many of them, you guys are struggling to stuck in the core Java concept, and I am very confident, guys. So if you don't know the coding, or if you are a average level of the coder also, then this course will also help you to get more confidence. You can see I have started this course from why Java. Then I have spended the time to highlight the topic which is very important for automation test engineer and developer, and the interviewer will ask you the question from the the topic I have highlighted, like up concept. You can see I have created for 5 part of the up concept. Then be having the collection around two more than 2 hours we have spent on the collection. More than 1 hours I have spent on your string. So these are the up concept, sorry, object class. Here we have some interface with real time interface or abstract class, final modifier, you can see polymorphism. I have explained with notes and with code as well. So that is very very if you want to explore your knowledge in your core Java skill, you can just refer this course. You will boost up your confidence and you can crack any interview. Okay, so let me now, I'm just going to discuss, we have already discussed, right, what is the difference between the collection and collections. So collection is a interface, right? So I already explained you. Again, I'm going to tell you, if you want to explore your knowledge in your Java skill set with code, with notes, so you will you having the boost of your confidence in your Java skill. So now we have a, what is the difference between the collection and collection. So collection is a considered as a root interface framework. If you want to represent a group of individual object as a single entity, then we should go for collection. So collection, why collection in the Java? So again, if you want to explore more knowledge, you can just refer my course also. And we have a collections. So collection is an utility class present in the java.util package to define several utility method for collection object, like the like the sorting and searching. Another question is, write a program to iterate HashMap in Java. So sorry. So here I will just explain this code. So I have took the snapshot of this code. You can see. So here I have created, you can see, I have taken this your hash map. I have created an object of the hash map, and map is working on the key value pair. I have a store key value pair by using the put method. Right here we are printing this, and now I am trying to add here duplicate key. Okay, if you will add the duplicate key, then it will, you won't be get any compile time error, you won't be get any runtime error, but you will get false, it will return the false. This is also one interview question. And now we can see how to print only key set key. So we have a method called key set and it will return the set. So you will get only key here. How to print value? So we can see be having the method called values method, it will return the collection types. So here you will get values. So here the question is, write a program to iterate hash map in Java, right? How to iterate this hash map, right? So we have a one more method that is called entry set, and it will return the set. Okay, then we are going to use the iterator concept. If you don't know the iterator, I told you, right, if you are not good in the Java concept, please go through my course and that will very helpful for you guys. This all the code practically I have also covered over there. So you will get boost up, you boost up your, you will get more confidence in your core Java skill set. So here we have a iterator. So iterator is your interface in collection. So iterator interface, and we have a method called iterator. You can see this one s1 I'm going to access from here, right? So here we are getting this. So iterator, here iterator having the method called iterator, and here you can access any or any collection by using this iterator. Iterator is your universal cursor, and this is applicable for any collection. That is the beauty of iterator. And now we can see now has. So here we having the hash next. Hash next will go in the hash map and it will check this object is there or not. If object is there, then it will get this object. Okay, and the cursor will move into your next object. Here you can see be having the entry. Actually what happened in the set, sorry, we having the map, right? So map is working on key value pair. Okay, one key value pair is called entry. Okay, one key value is pair is called entry, and map is your uh, map is your interface. And again, entry is your, I think this is your sub interface. Entry is your sub interface. So here you can see we are doing the casting, we are converting into the map.entry right here. Then after that you can see inside this entry be having the one second, be having the method call. I'll show you this a snapshot after explaining this. Inside this entry be having the method call get key and get value. You can see be here, from here you will get key and get value. and just I have given one condition here, get key equal to Raj, then it will set 1000. So this is how you can iterate map concept. So let me show you here. So inside this entry, be having the get key method and be having the get value method. Okay, you can just do the practice on your any editor you can use, and you can type this question, so you will get sorry, type this code, then you will get more competence. So let me move in the another question. Another question is, what is the difference between a string buffer and a string builder? So a string buffer, every method present in your a string buffer is synchronized. Let me show you, then you will get more clarity about of this. So a string buffer is your a string buffer is synchronized. Okay, this is your a string buffer, and a string builder is your non-synchronized. Synchronized means it is a thread set, means only one thread is allowed, sorry, only one thread is allowed at a time. So be having the multiple operation, right? So what will happen in your a string buffer, one operation will complete, then one operation will complete, then another operation will, another operation will get entry, right? Understood, right? So this is called your synchronized, only one thread allowed at a time, and it is a thread shape. Okay, so I can give you one more live example. If you are going for the airport, right? So in the airport, while we having the security, right? So only one person will allow to scan your body, right? Another person will bet, then another person will go. But a string builder is non-synchronized. When you are going to exit from your airport, so there is no security and all is there, all the people can, all the people can exit at a time. There is no security, that is called non-synchronized. And a string buffer is non-thread safe. A string buffer is not a thread safe. So now we can collected this all the point, so we can explain very well in front of the interviewer. Every method present in your string buffer is synchronized. Every method present in your string builder is non-synchronized. At a time, only one thread is allowed to the string buffer object. Hence, a string buffer object is thread safe. At a time, the multiple threads are allowed to operate a string builder object. Hence, a string builder is not a thread safe. A string threads are required to wait to operate on the string buffer object, and hence performance is obviously slow, right? Sorry guys, performance is low, and threads are not allowed to wait to the string builder object, hence performance is high. Definitely one at a time the multiple threads are allowed, so definitely the performance is high. So it is introduced in 1.0 version, and it is introduced in 1.5 version. So this is the difference between the string and a string buffer. How to set the size of the browser in Selenium. Okay, this features I think came in the Selenium 4. So be having the two method get size method, and by using the JavaScript executor we can also do. So here just I took this a snapshot to your understanding purpose. So let me just go through that. I think you guys already know many things, right? So you can just get some overview what type of the question they are asking in the interview. So you can see here these are things are common. So here we have a get size, so we are getting the size, fetching the current window size, a size with a get size. Okay, here creating the object of the dimension. So dimension is your class, and here just we are passing the dimension value. Then here we are just be having the set size, so we are just passing this reference. So this is how we can, you can use the size of the browser. And now you can see here, so we can provide the customized size of the browser. So that's why we use this get size and dimension. Here we have JavaScript executor. If you before you have do if you have done the practice, just give me 1 second. If you have done that practice, then it is easy for you guys. So you can see here JavaScript executor, we have done some casting. Here casting we are doing, and now here we are setting the dimension. So window dot resize dot, here you can pass the dimension. This is how we can perform. What is the fully checked exception and types of the exception? Okay, so the classes that inherit the runtime exceptions are known as checked exception. Okay, null example of arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index bound exception, or unchecked exception are not at a not a checked exception. Compile time is a not a compile time exception is a checked exception. Okay, so this is how what is this fully sorry checked exception and unchecked exception. What is the desired capability in Selenium? So let me just so capability is a class in a Selenium is used to set a properties of browser to perform the cross browser testing of a web application. It store capabilities like the key value pair, and these capabilities are used to set a browser properties like browser name, browser version, path of the browser driver in the system, and determine the behavior of browser. So these are the methods is applicable for the desired capability: get browser name, set browser name, get version or set version name, get platform, set platform, get capability, and set capability. So if you want to do the practice, you can just Google it, and you can get the code also, then you can do the practice. Just I have given some overview of this. Okay, so here how to handle how to disable the cookies in the Selenium. So we can use here Firefox or Chrome. So Firefox is a profile, so I have just given some a snapshot of this. So Firefox profile, we can create an object of Firefox profile. Then you can see we have a profile, some method, and profiles, INE some method, and get profiles. And here you can take the help from this snapshot, and you can try to execute in your system. Then profile that set preferences. Here we are passing this parameter, network dot cookies dot behavior, and we have it will accept two parameter. Again we have this profile we can pass in your driver, Firefox object driver. For Chrome, we can use the Chrome option class, created an object of Chrome options classes. Then we have a add user profile preferences, and here you can pass whatever the argument we are passing. So how to handle the block only the third parties cookies? So here we can use the different browser also, like we have a Chrome options, created the object of Chrome option. Here we are using add user profile preferences. So again here you can pass this profile dot default dot content setting value dot cookies, and here you can pass add user profile dot preferences. So that's all guys. So be having the 8 question, and this is the latest question, and some of my student is share this question, so I have made this video. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please share and subscribe and press bell icon to get new video notification. That is the one help you have to do in your side. I am trying to do my best to share some very important interview question for all the top level of the company. So my target is to share all the top level of the MNC company. I am working on that. So if you will not subscribe my channel and will not press bell icon, then you will miss your video. And if you are new in my channel, so you will get many free content also, and be having the paid content. I have told you right why I have launched this course in Udemy having the very less price and be having the more content. So that is easy to learn. If you want to, if you are the self learner, please enroll my course code Java beginner. If you want to learn, this is not I'm going to tell you the forcefully, but if you want to learn, if you want to explore your knowledge, and definitely you will learn something extra in this course. And my YouTube channel, so my YouTube channel is in this Ingenious Tech Hub. So you can follow many playlist if you are starting your interview, right? So you will get many playlist here. So you can see here I am still working on that, and I have a target to cover all the top level of MNC company for this. You can see SCL, Microsoft, sorry, not a Microsoft. Will I will try to collect some question from Microsoft as well. Okay, so you can see entity. entity data value lab sapient virtusa SCL. So please you can refer this video if you are new in the channel. And many of the manual tester or the people who does not have experience and they are attending the interview, they don't have a idea what type of the question they will ask in your real time project, real time common question like what the challenges you have faced in your automation project, right? What is your day-to-day activity, what are you doing daily work in your automation profile, how we are working in your agile environment, right? So these are the how to explain your framework, what the challenges you have faced in your uh, you know in your automation project, right? So here you will get many things. You can visit my channel, or if you will get many free content on my channel as well. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe with your needy people, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.